it's me, us again. Or another episode of Fossil Fighters. Different. Now, the last time, we just got into World 2. And we've seen lots of talking. We just met Dr. Diggins, and 2 other people. Next episode, today, we're going to meet someone else. And then our first dino! Yay! Yeah, it's our first dino. Actually, it's going to be pretty fun. He called us again. He calls us. He will help manager before to this part. Please allow me to explain help mode. Please click select. To do it, click select. Press it again. To help mode. Yes, help mode explains everything that we know. It explains everything about the game. It won't help us with anything. As much as we see, it won't help us. Let's go. The first arrival, the second arrival center. Sue Wendy. Welcome to the Fossil Center. Again. If you were just here, sorry to keep you waiting. Dr. Davis has returned. We know he was looking for something to do. He was just looking for something to do or something. Actually, you can use everything in the game with the pen, or actually not everything in the game, mostly everything in the game. There we go. Oh, hi there, Brian. Right? Okay, Dr. Diggins is saying something that's not good for us. Yeah, you can hear him. The ha-ha thing again. He's talking about that girl that told us about, you know, the big screen that's in front of them. That's what we're going to use. And then we can use something else. Yeah. We're going to see what happens when we lose and do it again, too. Okay? Never did it before. Just that little part. He's telling us about parts of a dinosaur. To get one part, you get your first attack. To get all 4 parts of the dinosaur, you get a whole entire skeleton, and you get 4 moves. And we only got 3 before. No, actually 2. No, 3. That's our highest number. Dr. Diggins goes and presses the button. It's actually like DDS. Shows the A and B button in the control pad to move. But we are going to use our mouse. That's the only thing I know now that we can use for this. Let's take cleaning. First, let me explain the screen. Second, well, we're going to be telling you all about this anyway. It's useless. This is the X-ray. We're going to see what happens when we lose this, okay? Okay, that means we don't mean to lose. We're really great fossil diggers, so we're just doing this because we want to see what happens when we lose. Maybe we can get a different dinosaur. That's why we did that for. And when we get another new dinosaur, we will get up to the top screen and see what it is. And here's our map. Here's the map. He was talking to us about how we failed. Then we got a dinosaur anyway. Okay. But we got a dinosaur anyway, which is cool. What? Pick the egg up. That stands for a while. I know, it did. Come on, let's hold it now. Dang it. Mario. Dang it. Come on. Just keep it. Yeah, there we go. We got that back. Some of us got out of our places. And now there's 2 people faded. Ow. Ow. No tentacles up here. Yes. I should warn you that. Okay, whatever. This is just for cleaning practice. I wish we could get a dinosaur from this, but that'd be nice if we could. I mean, if we could, now I'll just click on it and get a dinosaur from it. That was the second dinosaur that we always get that dino. I say do this. Found the fossil. We got nothing on one before, but that wasn't really a fossil. It was a jewel. We'll tell you what jewels do later. And diamonds and stuff like that. Change. This is the mode where you get tiny things of it. We're not really good at using it like this. We'll do our best at it. It's going to be hard to be able to grow into that. See? Oh, here we go. There we go. If we could actually get that dinosaur from it, oh, that would be awesome. Wait, we can't. Dang it! Yeah. Oh darn, that was the wrong road. Nope, not that one. Let's just say goodbye. Bye, everybody.